You don't need to earn more money to feel richer this month. You just need to stop losing the cash you already make. Here are 8 modern hacks to instantly recover $300 to $800 per year, including hack number 5, the 10-minute trick that saves by itself $600 a year. Let's get into it. Hack number 1 is subscription cycling. The average person stacks 4 or 5 streaming services at once, even though you only watch one main show at a time. That's a silent $60 to $80 leaking out every month. Instead of stacking them, use the single streamer rule. Pick one service for the month. The second you subscribe, go straight to your phone's subscription settings and hit cancel. You still get your full 30 days of watch time, but it kills auto-renew instantly before you forget. And don't worry, your profiles, watch list, and recommendations stay safe forever. You watch the exact same shows, but rotating 4 apps down to one instantly saves you $500 to $600 a year for literally 10 seconds of clicking. Once you stop digital leaks, you have to fix your bank account timing. Hack number 2 is bill alignment and paycheck buffering. Having your credit cards, phone bill, and utilities hit on random days creates phantom wealth. You see $1,500 in your account on the 10th, spend it, and forget about 3 bills due on the 18th. Here is the fix. Log in into your credit card, phone, or utility accounts and change your payment due date to hit within 3 days after your payday. If you get paid on the 1st and 15th, move your bills to the 3rd and 17th. While rent stays fixed on the 1st, aligning your remaining bills handles almost all variable cash flow. Just remember, changes take 1 to 2 cycles to kick in, so keep paying on your current schedule for now. Next, build up a $200 buffer over your next couple of paychecks and treat those $200 as your new zero balance. Every dollar above that buffer is now 100% safe spending cash. This simple alignment kills the mid-month stress and saves an average person $150 a year in avoided late and overdraft fees. Now that your bank account structure is set, let's rewire your spending psychology. Hack number 3 is the work hour equation. When you look at 150 pair of shoes or a $50 dinner, your bank checks if you have $150 in your checking account. To stop impulse buying in under 5 seconds, stop looking at price tags in dollars and start translating them into net worth hours. Divide your average after-tax home pay by your total monthly hours worked. If your net pay is $25 an hour, that $150 item doesn't cost $150, it costs you 6 full hours of sitting at your desk. Ask yourself one question: am I willing to work from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. on Monday solely to own this item? If the answer is no, the urge disappears instantly. If the answer is yes, buy it guilt-free. Translating money back into your time eliminates impulse regret, which saves an average person $100 to $200 every single month. Once you stop your impulse shopping, you have to tackle your largest daily variable expense: food. Hack number 4 is the 3-day grocery cycle. Food waste is one of the biggest silent cash drains in modern homes. The average family throws away over $1,500 worth of uneaten food every year. When you buy 2 weeks of fresh produce at once, visual fatigue sets in by day 4. You get tired of looking at a chaotic fridge, so you order $40 takeout while $60 of fresh food rots in the crisper drawer. Instead, keep buying pantry staples in bulks, but buy fresh perishables in strict 3-day batches. Or use free curbside store pickup so you never set a foot in impulse aisles or waste gas. You buy only what you actually eat, killing food waste and panic delivery orders to save $150 to $300 every single month. Now let's tackle your big recurring bills. Internet, phone, and insurance providers rely on a silent loyalty tax, quietly raising your rates by 10 to 25% every single year. You can reverse this in 10 minutes with one phone call. Google one real local competitor's promo price, then call your provider and ask directly for the retention or loyalty department. Do not negotiate with frontline customer service. Once connected, use this exact line: "Hi, I have been a customer for 2 years, but competitor X is offering a similar plan for $30 less a month. I'd prefer to stay with you. Can you match this rate or apply a promotional discount to keep my account active? Retention agents have pre-approved discounts specifically designed to stop you from canceling. If they say no, schedule a cancellation date 2 weeks out. This usually triggers an automated discount email. Doing this once a year saves $50 to $120 a month on autopilot. Beyond fixed monthly bills, two major home appliances eat up to 20% of your electric bill: your water heater and your clothes dryer. First, set your water heater thermostat to 120 degrees. It stops unnecessarily standby heating without impacting your shower temperature. Second, switch to cold water washes. 90% of the energy your washing machine uses goes solely toward heating water, and modern detergents are built to clean identically in cold. Finally, air dry or eco dry heavy knits, jeans, and towels. Electric dryers draw massive wattage, so cutting cycles in half yields instant savings. These three simple appliance adjustments silently shave $30 to $60 of your utility bill every single month. Before your next grocery run a quick pantry audit. Most households carry 2 to 3 weeks of unopened grains, canned goods, and proteins without even realizing it. Designate the last 3 days of the month as the Pantry Challenge. Make meals out of what is already sitting in your cabinets and freezer. When you do, cook bulk meals. Portion and freeze leftovers into individual silicone freezer trays right away instead of shoving a giant pot into the fridge. Freezing single portions creates instant, zero-effort meals for busy nights when you'd normally order an expensive takeout. Shopping your pantry first and freezing single portions skips an entire grocery run per month, saving you $100 to $200 with zero food waste. Now, micro purchases, a $4 energy drink, an $8 convenience snack, or a $12 quick lunch, bleed your wallet dry because each one feels too small to matter. To fix this, implement no-spend weekdays from Monday through Thursday. During these 4 days, fixed bills and work essentials like gas are fine, but discretionary spending drops to zero. Remove saved payment cards from your digital wallet on Sunday night. Pack your lunch, brew your coffee at home, and defer your non-essential buys to a capped weekend budget. Creating this simple friction breaks your daily impulse habits, automatically keeping $120 to $250 in your bank account every single month. Now here is the full master cheat sheet. 8 simple hacks that silently keep hundreds of dollars in your bank account every single month. Don't try to implement all 8 of these today. That's a fast track to a burnout. Instead, pick just 2 to start with this week, like setting up a subscription cycle or spending 10 minutes calling your internet provider. Once those 2 are on autopilot, come back to this video and pick 2 more. Which of these 8 hacks are you going to try first? Drop your pick in the comments below right now. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss practical financial strategies like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.